ናይ ህይወት ተመኩሮኻ ወይ ዘሕለፍካዮ ታሪኽ ብእንግሊሽ ክትነግር ከለኻ ፕረዘንት ፐርፌክት ኢኻ ትጥቀም። ንኣብነት She has cooked dinner. She has cooked dinner. ንሳ ድራር ሰሪሓ እያ። ኣብ ህይወትካ ዝገበርካዮ ነገር ንምግላጽ ብኸምዚ ኢኻ ትዛረብ። ሕጂ ምሳይ ደጊምካ በል። He has cleaned the room. He has cleaned the room. ንሱ ነቲ ክፍሊ ኣጽሪዎ እዩ። They have finished their work. They have finished their work. ንሳቶም ስራሖም ወዲኦም እዮም። I have washed my clothes. I have washed my clothes. ኣነ ክዳውንተይ ሓጺበ እየ። We have visited the market. We have visited the market. ንሕና ዕዳጋ በጺሕና ኢና። She has bought a new phone. She has bought a new phone. ንሳ ሓዳሽ ቴሌፎን ገዚኣ እያ። He has opened the door. He has opened the door. ንሱ ማዕጾ ከፊትዎ እዩ። I have eaten breakfast. I have eaten breakfast. ኣነ ቁርሲ በሊዐ እየ። She has read the book. She has read the book. ነታ መጽሓፍ ኣንቢባታ እያ። He has drunk some water. He has drunk some water. ንሱ ማይ ሰቲዩ። They have gone home. They have gone home. ንሳቶም ናብ ገዛ ከይዶም እዮም። We have watched the movie. We have watched the movie. ንሕና ነቲ ፊልም ርኢናዮ ኢና። She has made coffee. She has made coffee. ንሳ ቡን ሰሪሓ እያ። He has lost his keys. He has lost his keys. ንሱ መፍቲሑ ኣጥፊዎ እዩ። I have cleaned my house. I have cleaned my house. ኣነ ገዛይ ኣጽረዮ እየ። She has washed the dishes. She has washed the dishes. ንሳ ኣቑሑ ሓጺባ እያ። They have arrived at school. They have arrived at school. ንሳቶም ቤት ትምህርቲ በጺሖም። He has called his mother. He has called his mother. ንሱ ነዲኡ ደው ኢሉላ እዩ። I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. ኣነ ዕዮ ገዛይ ወዲኤ እየ። We have learned English. We have learned English. ንሕና እንግሊሽ ተማሂርና ኢና። She has written a letter. She has written a letter. ንሳ ደብዳቤ ጽሒፋ እያ። He has fixed the car. He has fixed the car. ንሱ መኪና ኣዕሪዋ እዩ። I have seen this movie. I have seen this movie. ኣነ ነዚ ፊልም ርእየዮ እየ። She has taken a shower. She has taken a shower. ንሳ ሻወር ወሲዳ እያ። They have cleaned the kitchen. They have cleaned the kitchen. ንሳቶም ክሽነ ኣጽርዮሞ እዮም። He has found his bag. He has found his bag. ንሱ ቦርሱኡ ረኺብዎ እዩ። We have visited our friends. We have visited our friends. ንሕና ኣዕሩኽትና በፂሕናዮም ኢና። She has opened the window. She has opened the window. ንሳ መስኮት ከፊታቶ እያ። I have forgotten his name. I have forgotten his name. ኣነ ስሙ ረሲዐዮ እየ። He has started a new job. He has started a new job. ንሱ ሓድሽ ስራሕ ጀሚሩ እዩ። She has changed her dress. She has changed her dress. ንሳ ክዳና ቀይራቶ እያ። They have cleaned the house. They have cleaned the house. ንሳቶም ገዛ ኣጽርዮሞ እዮም። I have met your sister. I have met your sister. ኣነ ሓፍትኻ ረኺበያ ነይረ። He has sent the message. He has sent the message. ንሱ መልእኽቲ ልኢኹ እዩ። She has learned a new word. She has learned a new word. ንሳ ሓድሽ ቃል ተማሂራ እያ። We have bought some food. We have bought some food. ንሕና ምግቢ ገዚእና ኢና። He has washed his car. He has washed his car. ንሱ መኪንኡ ሓጺብዋ እዩ። I have visited Eritrea. I have visited Eritrea. ኣነ ኤርትራ በጺሐ እየ። She has helped her friend. She has helped her friend. ንሳ ንማሕዛኣ ሓጊዛታ እያ። They have finished the lesson. They have finished the lesson. ንሳቶም ትምህርቲ ወዲኦም እዮም። Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.